Hello everyone, so this is my third video, and as you can see in the title, we will be discussing about how to make our day slightly better, how we are doing today, and what we can do, what we have in our power to improve our tomorrow. Like, what is the small thing that you can do and how to improve that. So, in this video, I will be sharing you a couple of ideas on how you can do it. So, first of all, you need to evaluate what are the areas which you consider that can be improved. What is your definition of the perfect tomorrow. So first of all, ask yourself, what does your ideal tomorrow looks like. So ask yourself what would be your ideal tomorrow. Would you be eating your breakfast tomorrow and not skip it? Would you be going to the gym and spend around in half an hour or something like that? What would be your ideal day? So when you have that definition in your mind, when you know what can be improved in that day, you will realize that okay, there are some things that you can do, and what are the areas on which you can work on. So first of all, you need to ask that and you need to work on that as well. Next point is when you identify what areas you need to work, you need to realize what power do you have, what is in your control, what is the small thing that you can do, right? So identify identify things that are in your control, right? So when you identify things that are in your control, you will be able to understand that there are several improvements that you can do yourself, and there are several improvements which are not in your control, which are something that you should not be bothered about, right? Because those are maybe correlated with something else. You cannot pray for a good weather, it's not in your hand, right? It might not be instantaneous. So you need to identify what is instantaneous that you can do tomorrow, what is the slight one thing, and pick that small thing and do that, right? So here I will just add extra note that pick a small thing out of that. So when you have a slight small thing or slight small agenda that you can easily do, you will make sure that okay, I will be able to achieve the set out goal, and that will have cumulative effects, right? So let's say for my example, I would say that I will aim to sleep at least 8 hours today. So that is a small goal that ideally I can do, because I am actually sleeping 7 hours at least. So 8 hours is not that big of a goal. So that is something that you can pick, and that is something that you can easily achieve. And so when you achieve that, the next goal would be slightly better than this, and the goal after that would be slightly better than that. So it would be a cumulative effect, and you will get continuous benefits. So in the long run, in around a year or a two, it will have a huge effect on your life, right? So that is something that you can do. And the last, or I think the most important thing after that is you need to reward yourself, right? That is very important. So rewarding yourself is the key. If you stop rewarding yourself, then you will not be able to move further or keep it up, right? So the changes that you are trying to make in life are not being made because of some reasons, right? You were not able to do it till now, then how can you make sure that you will be able to do it now? So to keep up the motivation, you need to ask yourself okay, if I slept 8 hours today, what will I be giving to myself tomorrow? You might buy something that you have been holding off to, you might eat something that you are not eating because of your diet, or a small reward for your achievement, right? So you keep rewarding yourself, you keep yourself happy as if you are the your own employee and you are the boss and you are keeping him happy, right? So make sure that you keep doing that, and when you start doing that small process, right, it is a small process, it would take you just 10 minutes at the end of your day to do that. It is not something that you would need half an hour to figure out, right? At the end of the day, ask yourself like what I want to improve tomorrow, and what effects would be there if I was able to do that, and then identify like if that is something in your power, if that is a small thing. If yes, then you move forward to that. We don't want to directly jump into like, okay, I will become the next mixed martial arts champion of India. That's not something that you can set out and achieve within a day. So do it like this, do it with small steps, and you will be able to achieve that, right? Thank you.